Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your AIB mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your AIB mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your web browser. On the search box at the top, type in mymortgage.aib.ie and make a search. The official page of AIB Mortgage will appear on the screen. Click on Login option. Enter your mobile number and password associated with your AIB Mortgage account and tap on Login. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your AIB mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.